Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can free up space on your Android device through Google Photos. So what you have to do is just simply open up your Google Photos, then go to your profile at the top right corner, just click on that, and over there you will find an option called free up space. Just click on that. So if you click on the free apps button down below, what it will do is delete all the extra photos that you have on your device which is already backed up on Drive in your Google Photos. So it will just simply delete them and make space on your Android device. So in order to complete this, just click on free up whatever data is written in front of that. So it will again ask you that are you sure that you want to delete all the photos or not. It's up to you. You can allow it or deny it. For me, I will just deny it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.